Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Now that the temperature's starting to warm up, I know everybody's really excited about getting out, getting fresh pine straw out, bushes trimmed, landscapes cleaned up. But one thing that it gets us every year and you need to really be aware of is gonna be fungus in your grass. So keep an eye out. Remember that fungus is really active when you get these big temperature swings between your daytime highs and your nighttime lows. We've got a lot of moisture in the air. If you've got it, it's already in your grass. It's just a matter of the environmental conditions getting just right for it to become active. So keep an eye out on it, jump on it quick. The grass is already going to be stressed coming out of this really cold winter, all the ice and the snow. So we don't want to give it anything else to have to compete against or fight against. So remember, as soon as you see it, you need to jump on it. A lot of times it could take up to 2 applications. The best plan, the best course of action is to get on a preventative plan whenever you know the active cycle, the active season typically is. It's going to require you having to treat your grass once a month, but it's going to prevent that fungus from ever really taking foot and getting a start. So anyway, if you got any questions, need any help, any suggestions, feel free to let us know. Other than that, we look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.